Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto G56 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on languages at the top and tap on system languages. So here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which you can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it. I'll pick Turkish. Choose the region if you can. And as you can see, the Turkish language has been immediately applied to the list. However, the English is still a main one. So all we have to do is to tap on the language and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And now your device will ask you whether you want to change the system language. So just tap on change to confirm. And as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language, in my case Turkish. Alright, so let me quickly change it to English again. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Tap on change and we've got English applied. You can also, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language you'd like to delete, so just tap on it and tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner. Tap on remove to confirm, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.